Hey guys, for this video, I'm going to show you how to do MLA citations in Google Docs. So first you want to open up a new tab and then you want to go to this website. It's called Scriber Citation Generator. Then you want to click on the first link and then over here at the citation style, just make sure that you're going to select MLA 9th edition. Then you want to go ahead and copy the links of your sources and paste it over here. And after you've pasted, just click on Cite. And after that, you also want to add your other sources, so just get the link and paste it here as well. You just want to go ahead and do the same for your other sources. And after you're done pasting all of your sources, if you scroll down over here at the bottom, you will see the list of your sources. And it's important that when you're citing, it's in alphabetical order. So Scriber here automatically arrange it in alphabetical order. So what you're just going to do now is click on the checkbox over here to select all of your sources. Then click on Copy to Clipboard. Now you're going back to Google Docs. And you just want to go ahead and paste your citations over here. And there you go. Thanks for watching.